Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Watch today's video till the end because I'm going to show you how you can earn $500 by investing just $100 and selling Instagram followers. And if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. To get started, first open your Chrome browser, then search for Daddy SMM and click on the first website that appears. Once you're on the website, click on Sign in with Google and sign up using any Gmail ID on your phone. Resale services on this website, you first need to make a deposit. To do this, click on the three-dot menu, then click on Add Fund. Next, click on Select Payment Methods, and you will see multiple payment options. Select the payment method of your choice. I selected Payeer, then enter the amount of dollars you want to deposit in the amount field and click Pay. After that, click on Payeer, select USD and click Confirm. Then click on To pay the bill. Enter your Payeer account login and password, then click Go Next. A code will be sent to the Gmail account you used to open your account. Enter that code and click Go Next. Finally, click Confirm, and the dollars will be automatically added to your website account. Once the payment is complete, return to daddysem.com, click on the three-dot menu again, and then click New Order. Scroll down, then click on Categories, and select Instagram Followers, very fast speed cheapest. Next, click on the service and select Service 5310. In the link field, enter your client's Instagram account link. Then, enter the quantity of followers you want to sell. For example, if you want to order 100,000 followers, the cost will be approximately $100. If you sell 1,000 followers for $5 each, then for 100,000 followers, you will earn $500. Your profit will be approximately $400. You can purchase all kinds of social media services from this website. For any issues, you can contact their WhatsApp support. They respond quickly and provide solutions. Thank you for watching today's video till the end.